let's just do another example, which is says 1 over sine x plus 1 over cos x. And we want to make our denominators to be the same concept, guys, ne? This denominator to the first term and this denominator to the second term, ne? And how are we going to do that? We are going to say 1 over sine x, and what am I going to multiply this term with in order for me to get the same denominator? What is it that I'm going to multiply this term with? Who can tell me? What am I going to multiply this term with? Thank you very much. I'm going to multiply this term with cos x over cos x. And guys, this question, thank you very much, Bontle. Guys, this question is very common. Ne? It's very common, because I noticed, I think this is the 6th question that I did when I make the denominators to be the same. So please familiarize yourself with such, ne? So I'm going to multiply this first term with cos x over cos x, and I'm moving to the second term, 1 over cos x. So what am I going to multiply my second term with? What is it that am I going to multiply my second term with? Let's talk, guys. What is it that I'm going to multiply my second term with? Thank you very much. This is going to be multiplied by sine x over sine x. Not just sine x, guys. Not just sine x, guys. So, but it's fine. I can see you understand. So I'll just multiply the two. Then I will have my cos x over sine x cos x plus sine x over sine x cos x. I have my denominators being the same now. Then I will simply add the numerators. So I will have my cos x plus plus sine x. All that being divided by sine x cos x. Guys, ne? This is how you make the denominators to be the same. This to that and this to that. This term multiplied by the 1 which is derived from this denominator, and the second term is going to be multiplied the 1 that is derived from the denominator from this first term. You can see 1 minus 1 divided by sine x is going to be multiplied by cos x over cos x, which is simply 1, and it's simply 1. Come on, guys, please like the video. No, like, I want 5k likes before I move to the main question. Come on, please tap the screen to 5k. Please tap the screen to 5k. I need 5k. I don't want people who just watch here. I don't want people who are just watching. Tap, so that we can move. Ne? So that we can move. So that's how you do it. So let's move to our plan. You see now, I'm having two terms like that. Ne? I'm having two terms like that. So I'm going to ask the question again. How many terms do I have on my left hand side? I'm going to ask it again, because I can see. If you are new, thanks for joining. Please like, share and follow. How many terms do I have? Yes, I have two terms. Ne? So now, since I have these two terms, I will just try and bring them together to be one term. By doing what? How can I make this to be one term? By making the denominators to look the same, so that I can add the numerators. So now let me ask, what is it that am I going to multiply my first term with? Squared A. Don't rush to the identities. Ne? Don't rush to identities. You should substitute while you have a plan of identities. So I will just have 8 over sine squared A. what is it that I'm going to multiply my first term with? Remember, this to that and this to that. So let's go back. So what is it that I'm going to multiply my first term with? Is the word correct? Is the word correct? Yeah, we are back, Mr. Dion, and welcome back, my friend. We didn't complete the plan of the day, so my heart wasn't at peace. So I came back. So this is going to be multiplied by 1 plus cos over 1 plus cos A. This is basically 1. If I cancel out the 2, it's gonna give me 1. So let me go back to this one, and remember, we are proving that this is gonna be equals to that, ne? We are proving that this is gonna be equals to that. So now I'm going to say minus 4 1 plus cos A. Then what is it that am I going to multiply my second term with? Physics, physics, ne? Yeah, physics. Okay, I don't want to lie to you, but I will schedule it on weekends. I'll only do physics on weekends. But people, they don't attend when I host physics. I don't know why. That's why I get bored sometimes. So I'm having sine squared A over sine squared A. Ne? You can see now I'm having that, and you can see my denominators. Ne? My denominators are now the same. What I will simply do, I will just multiply this and that and this and that so that I can have the order. Ne? So what I will do, I will just say 8 1 plus cos A, ne, over sine squared A 1 plus cos A, ne, minus 4 sine squared A, all of that being divided by sine squared A 1 plus cos A. You can see now our denominators are the same. Babon, you don't have to write many things, man. You don't have to write many things. Come on, guys, 5K. Come on, I can't be having you watching and you are not tapping the screen. Actually, I want 10K. Come on, I'm continuing. When I reach 10K, when I reach 10K, I'm moving to the next step. Can I have my 10K? 10K, 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 10K. In the meantime, you can check what I did here. What I did. Can I have 10K? 10K, guys. 10K. Let's help. After 10K, I move. After 10K, I move. After 10K, I move. I move to the next step after 10K. But in the meantime, you can just follow the live, like, share, and follow. You can see, this is the denominator we are talking about. The denominator, we are multiplying, we are converting it into 1 in order for it to multiply the first term by 1 plus cos A over 1 plus cos A. This is the same as 1. If I am to cancel them out, I will just simply have 1. Also, take this denominator, multiply the second term. It's like I'm cross multiplying. It's the cross multiplication. Yes, can I have the 10K, 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 10K? Come on, 10K, 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 so that I move to the next step. Because people, they don't like, I don't know why, I don't like it. I can't host the live for 20 minutes. I'm still at 2K likes. But thank you for liking, and thanks for your consistency. Let's move. Okay, so now what am I going to do? What is my next step after making the denominators to be the same? Let's participate. What is my next step after making the denominators to be the same? we will just simply do what with the numerators? We will just simply do what with the numerators? Yes, thank you very much. We will just simply add the numerator. Yes, yes. That's the plan. That's the plan. That's the plan. We will just make the denominators to be the same, and we add the numerators. Cause why? The aim is to make this to look like this, ne? The aim is to make this to look like this. So this, okay, never mind. I can't write all of that. Okay, I will come back to whatever. But my main aim, my main focus is the left hand side. So we will just add the numerators. So I will have my 8, 1 plus cos A, ne? Minus 4 sine squared A, all divided by sine squared A, 1 plus cos A. Am I wrong? Can I get the thumbs up? Can I get the thumbs up? If you are following, can I get the thumbs up? Can I get the thumbs up? If I'm right, if I'm wrong, you can just say, say, question, here's the question. Can I get the thumbs up? Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Thank you very much. So now I'm going to distribute this 8 to these guys, ne? I'm just going to simply distribute this 8 so that I can see, or what is it that am I going to have? Because I'm just trying to figure out, or what is going on with this equation. I'm just trying to figure out, or what is going on here with this equation. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to distribute. So when I distribute, I'm going to have 8 plus 8 cos A, ne? Minus 4 sine squared A, all divided by sine squared A, 1 plus cos A. I believe I'm still on the right track. There's nothing complicated that I did here. And you can see where my equation is clean. There's no Hi, Moles. Thank you very much for joining the live, my friend. And please like, share, and follow. We are welcome to the family. You are welcomed. You are welcome to the family. Then, yeah, there's no grrr. You see, there's no grrr. There's no grrr. It shows I know what I'm talking about. Okay, it's not what I'm bragging, but you have to, whenever you see your equation is clean like this, you have to know. You would see a student knows what he's dealing with. You deal with pure maths only. I also do technical maths. And Nelka, and please try to avoid crying emojis, ne? Because TikTok will, hey, come on, guys, please, guys, no crying emojis, guys, please, no crying emojis, ne? Because TikTok, they will think, me, I'm teaching you how to what, gambling in young, then they will send me restrictions, funny restrictions, guys, ne? Please. So, now, let's do it. Now let's move, ne? Let's move. So since we are having this, ne? Like, what is the plan? Let me give you a simplest trick, ne? As you saw, we tried to narrow everything, and no. It's still early, Lindo. It's still early. Yeah. I also do physics. Chemistry. Physical sciences and chemistry. Yes. Yeah, all the time. I don't know. Yes, yeah. All the time. Like, I upload classworks. I have control tests. People, they write tests on my online classes. Like, a lot. It's okay, my friend. It's okay. and welcome to my live. Abo? Yes, thank you very much. Like we do online, like people they write tests, I give them classworks, they give them tests, I give them, yeah. Some of them they are here, but I believe they are asleep. Because I believe now they hate me because I come with trick questions that they didn't see ever in their life. But it's fine. So yeah. So let me give you a trick, guys. Please tap the screen. Don't stop to tap the screen, guys. Come on, come on. You can't be so many people. I can't have so many people in my life and I have 12k likes. No, no, no. Come on, guys. Let's tap the screen. So don't you mind? You can be live tomorrow for physics. Because whenever I'm breaking like this, it's not like I'm doing a talk show, guys. Ne? I'm giving some people chances to some of you guys, obviously, you know these things you're trying to prove. Prove it. Come to your answer in forward. Then yeah. So whenever we reach here, please follow. When our physics, follow and then physics class. Ne? Whenever you reach this ne? Whenever you reach this, try to make the trig ratios to look the same. Wabona even here, I can change the sign, but I can't change the cause. Like change the sign, mara. I can't leave the. I just started Prince. I believe this one is gonna be the long life, ne? It's gonna be the long life. That yeah. So I will just change the sign because I can see where I can only relate these signs into causes. I can only relate the signs into these causes. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to change this and change that and into cause. Ne? Because I can't change this and I can't change this, but I can change this and that. That's when you use the identities, guys. You don't just, when in the first place, you just change no. Just have an organized. Ne? Just have organized equations so that you would know what is what. Ne? What is what. Just have an organized thing. So let's change this. Now what is the identity of this one? Can I get an identity? I showed you. Can I get an identity of this one? Of sine theta on sine squared a and sine squared a. Can I get an identity? Identity, guys. Identity. Yeah, maybe Dion, maybe. Teresa, I see you. Lindo, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So now, this, and yes, and the identity goes like this. Sine squared theta is going to be equals to 1 minus cos squared theta. That's the identity. Ne? But now it's in terms of a. So what am I going to have? I'm going to have 8 plus 8 cos a plus or minus 4 into 1 minus cos squared a. Because I'm trying to make the identity, I am trying to make the trig ratios to look the same. Ne? I'm trying to make the trig ratios to look the same. And as I'm trying to make the trig ratios to look the same, and that's when I can decide what is it that am I going to do with whatever that I'm doing. So I will change this. Also, I will change this into what? I will change this into 1 minus cos squared a. Ne? I will change this into 1 minus cos squared a. Ne? I have a problem on choosing identities. Yes, yeah, I believe this life is for you. I believe this life is for you because I told you that you don't just substitute. No, man. You have to have a plan. You have to have the goal. Whenever you are dealing with identities, guys, you have to have a goal because the goal is to have this to look like that. Now, whenever I try to narrow this and I convert these two terms into one term, I am trying to relate whatever that I have into that, because I can see on my right hand side I only have cos, ne? So it's not necessary for me to have sine. So at some point I will have to change this sign. That's when I will use the identity. Am I making sense here? Am I making myself clear? Because on my left hand side, on my right hand side, I only have cos. So it means on my right hand side, it's not necessary for me to have sine. So that's when I can think about the identity. It's not about knowing the identity. It's about knowing when is the right time to change the certain trig ratio to its own identity. Ne? Just like here, you see, I just changed, I converted these two terms into one term. Ne? I converted these two terms into one term. And if I'm having this one term, because I know, if I'm having these two terms, how will these two terms will look like this? Obviously, this is going to be one term. So I have to make a plan this thing, it has to be one term, and I have to change this sign at some point. That's why I firstly make the denominators to be the same, and after the denominators being the same, I distributed and I'm having this one. And as I'm having this, thank you very much for the gift. Thank you very much, Lishe. God bless you. One. When do you know? No, let's not talk about that for now. Let's not talk about 90 plus c theta or 90 minus theta for now, because it will mix up the whole content. So now I will just have this being changed into that, and now if I'm having this being changed into that, now I will have this also is not forgotten, 1 plus cos A. You see here now I'm having 1 plus cos A, and I'm having everything in terms of cos. That's the plan, having everything in terms of cos. And if I'm having everything in terms of cos, now I have to reduce the causes, because of on my right hand side I only have one cos. So it means over here somewhere a lot is going on. There's a lot that is going on my numerator. There's a lot that is going on my numerator, ne? So now when are you doing functions and calculus, bandile guys, ne? Okay, let me finish this, and the questions I will take after, ne? Because I feel like if I answer you and come back, this it becomes long, ne? And bandile, I will answer you, ne? I will answer you because I want to announce something once I'm done. So now if I'm having this, obviously I will just have to distribute, and as I'm distributing, I will have what? I will have 8 plus 8 cos A. Obviously I can't do anything about it. Then I will have minus, and I'm distributing the minus 4, guys. People, they tend to distribute only 4 because this is minus 4. So I'm saying 1 multiplied by minus 4. So I'm going to have my answer is minus 4. And I'm saying negative 4 multiplied by negative cos squared A. Then my answer is going to be what? Can someone give me the answer of negative 4 multiplied by negative cos squared A? Can someone give me the answer and include the sign? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. What is this? Negative 4? Yes, it's going to be plus cos 4 cos squared A. And all of that will be divided by what? 1 minus cos squared A. 1 plus cos A. Ne? Then what is it that I'm going to do on the numerator? I will just add the like terms. I will just add the like terms, so I will just have 8, this 8 and this 4, this 8 and this 4, this 8 and this 4. 8 minus 4 is going to be 4. 8 minus 4 is going to be 4. And obviously, I'm having my 8 here. How? Okay, it's fine. I'm having my 8 here plus 8 cos A. Okay, plus cos, 4 cos squared A. And all of that will be divided by 1 minus cos squared A, 1 plus cos A. Yeah, do you see how now it's coming, it's coming. Yes. Can I get a thumbs up so far, guys? Can I get a thumbs up? Thumbs up. Okay, I don't have a space. I don't have a space. I will just continue to this side. Let me just do this. Yeah, I will just continue. I don't want to. I want you to see everything. But it's fine. Yes, thank you very much. So I will have this. Then obviously, what is it that I'm going to do on the numerator? Who can tell me? What is it that I'm going to do on the numerator? What is it that I'm going to do on the numerator? What is it that you see on the numerator? What is it that you see on the numerator? Thank you very much. So, no. We take out a common factor. The common factor of what? What is the common factor that we are going to take out? Please please take this, tap the screen, guys. Tap the screen. Don't stop to tap the screen, guys. Tap the screen. Is it 4? Can I get a confirmation? It's going to be 4? Yeah, thank you very much. 4 is going to be the one that we are going to take out as the common factor. So we are going to have 4. Hey. But to busy ka voice yaga, tloelang voice yaga baloi. Man. Hey, ke utlwa nkare ke eme ke ntho nngwe ka moholong mo. So obviously 4 divided by 4 is going to be 1. 8 divided by 4 is going to be plus 2 cos A. And 4 divided by 4 is going to be plus cos squared A. Then on our denominator, what are we going to have? We are going to have 1 minus cos squared A. You still don't see the future, guys. May I see the answer before I get to the answer? Yeah, when? Cos A. Are monate. Hey, mona kutlwa ngare una le ntho engwe e meng kwa mogolong. Hey mune. But it's fine. So yeah. So now what am I going to do? I'm going to have I'm going to have this being taken out as the common factor, and we are going to check our answer. You see, it's coming together. But one out of this 4 is coming together. Now we are having that 4 and we are having this 4. It means already there is something that is going on which is suspicious. There's something fishy about this equation. But I'm just going to rearrange it, and I'm going to write it as 4, and I'm going to rearrange this. I'm just going to have 4 cos squared A plus 2 cos A plus 1. Yeah? All divided by 1 minus cos squared A, 1 plus cos A. Aga le botse. Ra fitlha. Are fitlheng, guys. Are fitlheng. This is a midnight session. Come on, guys. Can I get 20k likes? Wa bona la thoma le tape screen la trauma jwaji la trauma ger are tapping screen are tapping tata screen let's go trauma bushibian tata screen 20k. Come on, let's tap the screen, guys. Please let's tap the screen. Ne, remember we are proving that this is gonna be equals to that. Ne, we are proving that this is gonna be equals to that. Ne, we are proving that this is gonna be equals to that. We are proving that this is gonna be equals to that. So anyway, so what are we going to do? We are going to say yes, thank you very much. Pawon, that's why I love it. Now what are we going to do? We are going to factorize this part. Ne? We are going to factorize this part like nobody's business. Ne? We are going to factorize this part. And what are we going to do? We are just going to say 4. What are we going to have? So this, guys, it's a trinomial. Do you see it? Yes, no? This is going to be a trinomial. It's going to be a trinomial. Ne? It's going to be the trinomial. Ne? Oh, you're saying how? Ne? Let me experiment something. Oh, network. How is the network, guys? Ish, wawan. Yes, you can use a K method, but you can factorize manually if you wish so. You can factorize manually if you wish so. Thank you very much. So let me shift to this side because I can see where the network is very bad. Yes. And I wanna, when the network is bad, I get very angry. That's why these people, they are running away. Yeah, I believe it now, it's fine. So now we are going to factorize this guy, ne? We are going to factorize this guy, and let's just apply the K method like the brother here is said. Or okay, let me let cos A to be equals to K, guys, and I believe the K method is gonna be easy. Remember, we are proving that this is gonna be equals to that. Ne? We are going to say this is gonna be equals to that. So now let's just do it. Ne? Let's just do it. We are going to say wherever we see cos A, we are going to substitute that with K. Ne? Whenever we see cos A, we are going to substitute that with K. How are we going to do that? We are going to easy come, easy go, my friend. Mr. Prince. Easy come, easy go. I'm going to do this in 2 ways. K method, and I'm going to do it straight relative to that. Ne? So now, whenever I see that, so I'm going to have my 4, obviously. Then how am I going to express this in terms of K? Can I get an answer? Tap the screen. Can I get an answer? How am I going to express this in terms of K? Thank you very much. This is going to be K squared. Thank you very much. So plus obviously 2K, 2K plus 1. You can see here now it's like this, and now beneath We are substituting. We are not scared. It's not the K method is not applicable only on the numerator. When I use K method, do I have to do it separately from my answer sheet? Or is it no, you're allowed. You're allowed, my friend. But one at the moment you say let cos A is gonna be equals to K, you are assigning cos A to be equals to K. You are allowed. You are very allowed, my friend. Even though you say let cos A is gonna be equals to B, you are very allowed, my friend. It's not about unless the teacher decide I no, because these teachers nowadays they are always on their I don't understand them. They only like they have their own things, they create their own system. And then they're not teaching you the right things. But I'm telling you, you are allowed, my friend. Ne? You are allowed to use K method, even on the exam. It's strict. They only allow K method. No, it depends on who you like. It depends on how you want it. Ne? It depends on whatever that you want it. But you are allowed. Thanks for joining. For those who just joined, we just proving or this is gonna be equals to that. Ne? Talafa pala ish crying emojis. Please, my friend, please don't use crying emojis, guys. Please, ne? And in the meantime, please tap the screen. So this, we are proving that this is gonna be equals to that. So now we are here, ne? So I want to use my K method, and I'm going to substitute this, and I'm going to write 1 minus. How can I express this in terms of K? Who can tell me? How can I express this in terms of K? That's a good one, eh? How can I express this in terms of K? Thank you very much. 1 minus K squared, ne? And here is going to be 1 plus K, ne? And that is going to be equals to 4 all over 1 minus cos A. We are proving what this is going to be equals to. Like we are proving, we are showing, we are proving, ne? We're still on the proving part, ne? Or this, how is this equals to that? So now we are letting cos A to be equals to K. So now as we are, please don't stop to tap the screen. Tap the screen, guys. I'm continuing, yes, but tap the screen. So now, what am I going to do? Is this factorizable? Can we factorize this? Huh? Can we factorize this? Can we factorize this? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So I'm going to say 4, and obviously I will have 2 brackets being open up. And obviously, is this factorizable? Is this factorizable? Is this factorizable? Huh? Is this factorizable? No, it's only like it applies like it on the numerator only. Nah, I feel like I should apply it also on the denominator because I can see where it's possible. Ne? I will show you why. I will show you why. You will see it now. Yes, thank you very much. It's going to be the difference of 2 squared. So on the numerator, I will have K, 1 and 1, plus and plus. And on the denominator, I will have 1 minus K and 1 plus K and 1 plus K. You see why I also apply it on the denominator, because I saw how it will work for me, my friend. Yeah? Then also this also, we are still on the concept. This is going to be equals to 1 minus cos A. As we are proving 1 minus cos A. One shalwai. So yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much if you see it. So you can see, yeah, this, all of this will be cancelled out by all of that. Ne? Ai, nna ke deserva la yone o etse nka re modimo nka mblessa motho a non reitela mmetsa re mfana ka tshwara la yone mone ha e ja bakshishi boy mara ke stele nna ke bo tluk, but it's fine. So I will have my 4 all is equals to 1 minus k, which is going to be equals to 4 all over 1 minus cos a. Then guys, whenever you use k method, please man, please, you write the statement. The statement or since k is going to be equals to cos a, then therefore for this is very important guys, or since k is going to be equals to a, therefore 1, whenever you see k, you are substituting back with this guy cos a, which is going to be equals to 1 minus cos a, full stop. Then LHS is going to be equals to RHS. We are done. We are done. We are done. Can I get the thumbs up, guys? Can I get the thumbs up? Can I get the thumbs up? Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Come, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Lodge. How many marks? Let me check. Or it's how many marks? Let me check. Ish, just that when I move on the table, the network. Yeah, chaba chab.